Hi everyone, welcome back. In this lecture, I'm going to be talking to you about inheritance and the concept of inheritance. So as you remember in the last lecture, we sort of created methods. So in this case, it was just stationery, sort of a shop where you could get the price and name of things. I've edited it compared to the last lecture. But so what we're going to be doing is we're going to be creating another Java class, and it's going to use the concept of inheritance. So that basically means instead of us having to create a new method for each class, we can use the one we originally created in item.java. So as you can see here, I've made a purchase method. So when that's called, it says you have successfully purchased the item. So we don't have to copy that over to item 2 if we want it to be the same. So as you can see, main.java have created a new, instantiated a new object from item 2 called pencil equals new item 2, and I've called it pencil color green price 1. Now you might be thinking, can I just do pencil.getName like I've done here with pen.getName? The answer is no, because we haven't actually. You have to still do getters and setters individually, even if you do use inheritance, because getters and setters aren't automatically moved across. You have to do it yourself. And you also have to instantiate the names, colors, and price of the object. So if we go here, pencil.purchase, and we click run. Let it build. I did run it before, but let it build again, just to give you a quick demonstration. So there we go. The price of the pen is 5, so that's from here. Pen.getName. Pen.getPrice, and you've successfully purchased the item, and you have successfully purchased the item. So pen.purchase, it came from item.java, so here, and then as you can see here, we didn't have purchase method here, so we referenced it here, and it worked because we used inheritance. Now you might be thinking, well, what happens if I want a different message for different sort of classes or products? So you just go here and you just put a comment here, override. Doesn't really mean anything. And what we do here is just copy the method across, and you put it here, and then you can just put a different message. So you've purchased the pencil. So that's if you want an override and you don't want it to be the same message as you did in item. So run that. Should say you have successfully purchased the item, you've successfully purchased the pencil. And obviously the price of the pen is 5. See, there we go. You've successfully purchased the pencil. So that actually overrode the item.java purchase method with the item 2, because it was the item 2 object. So you've successfully purchased the pencil. So that is a sort of a rough idea of how inheritance works. Now, just to remind you, you do have to, if you do use inheritance, you have to say item 2, the class, the Java class extends item. And you have to also reference the string name, color, price. That doesn't automatically come over. And you do have to do another constructor. And we haven't done getters and setters here, so I can't actually fetch the information, but you can choose to do that. But you have to do it individually per class. It doesn't move over automatically. The only thing that does move over is the methods. So in this case, it was the purchase method. So I hope that makes sense, and I'll see you in the next lecture.